What does a plane like this go for?
$5 million.
What kind of stuff do you do for a living?
We're going to Knoxville, Tennessee, and flying a endangered red wolf from Knoxville to Colorado Springs.
So you're going to go fly and pick up an animal and help get them rescued?
Most of them are animals that are so rare that they need to move the animals around to keep the DNA pool diverse.
Wow.
I sometimes tell people I'm the pimp of the sky.
Of the animals?
I just fly animals around to have sex.
Jack holds the record for the most species transported.
That's crazy.
It's an organization called Lighthawk, lighthawk.org.